2 from each other, then L will go, N will go, P will go. What will remain is M and R, right? So perform 1 minus 2, right? So what you get is 2M plus 2R equals to 0, M plus R equals to 0, 2 on this side. So that is one answer. Now next you want is M cube plus R cube, right? That is a required answer, M cube plus R cube. Okay. M cube plus R cube means what? What is the formula for A cube plus B cube? A plus B into bracket A square minus AB plus B square, right? So M cube plus R cube is same, M plus R into M square minus MR plus R square. Now M plus R is what? 0. We have just now found out. So if this is 0, then let it be anything, the other part. The answer will be 0 because one bracket is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So that is the answer, 0. Next is solve. There are 3 sub questions to this, A, B, C. We'll solve one by one. If one of the 0 means factor of the polynomial fx equals to k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4 is the reciprocal of the other, then k equals to, here, one of the polynomials of, here, what is the degree of this fx polynomial? Degree is 2. Why? Because x square, highest degree of x is 2. So therefore degree of the polynomial is 2. So how many roots will be there for this polynomial? There would be 2 roots, right? The number of degree equals to number of roots. So only 2 roots. Now what is given? One of the factor is reciprocal of the other. So let a and 1 upon a be the factors or zeros. Therefore a into 1 upon a equals to 0. 1. But a into 1 upon a means, here, suppose if an expression polynomial is, or quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, then the sum of the factors is minus b upon a and product of the factors is c upon a, means last digit upon first digit. In this problem we are concerned with the product because each one is reciprocal. Okay, so we'll try with this, c upon a means last digit upon first digit. Okay, in our case what it is, last digit is 4 and first digit is k square plus 4. So product of the, to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.